si Mar Valbuena, nandito po ba siya? Yan. Oo. Pwede po bang magkwento rin kayo ng kalagayan ninyo, Mr. Chair? Ano pong implication sa inyo nitong 3 months deadline ng consolidation na sinasabi ng LTFRB?
Una po sa lahat, good morning po Mr. Chair at sa ating mga distinguished congressman. Sa ngayon po, Mr. Chair, hindi po bababa sa 10 ang naka-impound sa amin. Dahil po hinahanapan sila ng consolidation na papel. Wala silang maipakita. Ngayon yung mga sasakyan po nila ay naka-impound. At
Sandali. Sino nag-impound?
ang LTO po at HPG NCR po.
Let's settle this first. LTO, will you please answer? Do you have the authority to impound this at this point in time?
Mr. Chair, wala po tayong because of the extension that was
Yes,
granted.
supposed to be.
Wala po tayong
Pero bakit according to the resource person from Manibela, meron silang 10 vehicles na na-impound simply because hindi po sila nagko-consolidate. In fact, your authorities there stated na pag may extension, pwede silang mag-operate.
That's right, Mr. Chair. I just confirmed again also with our enforcement po, Mr. Chair. As far as Colorum is concerned, as far as because of the extension, wala po tayo dapat hinuhuling on that ground po. Siguro ang tingnan nyo yung unregistered, Mr. Chair, yung unregistered motor vehicles. Ang basis naman ho namin dun, Mr. Chair, is just the confirmation of LTFRB. Once LTFRB confirms the unit, we register it automatically, regardless of the provincial authority.
Ang ibig mong sabihin na arestuhin nyo muna tapos i-confirm ng LTFRB?
Hindi
Is
po.
that what you're trying to tell us?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Basta registered po siya, hindi ho namin na-aresto. Pag unregistered vehicle po siya, doon ho namin na-aresto.
If you know, the reasons why these vehicles were impounded pursuant to the allegations of the representative of Manibela?
We don't know the specific circumstances, Mr. Chair, but we will coordinate with them to get the specific circumstances.
Mr. Valbuena, would you know, alam mo ba kung bakit na-impound?
Ang sabi po, Mr. Chair, dahil nga po deadline na nung December 31, hindi kami nakapag-consolidate, expired na yung provisional authority namin, at sabi po nila Colorum na. Di po ba, Mr. Chair, hanggang January 31, hanggang until today, and then may extension pang 3 months, baka po hindi po nabibigyan ng tamang briefing kaya ang ating mga law enforcement agencies. Kasi po, ang malinaw, ang sabi niya, tama po, Colorum, hindi nga po kami makaregistered dahil nga po, hinahanapan kami ng provisional authority. Hindi po kami makapag-confirm, hindi po kami makapag-rehistro dahil nga po, expired na yung aming mga provisional authority when in fact, na extended po siya. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Who will answer,
Mr.
LTO
Chair.
or LTFRB?
If I may, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
If I may, Mr. Chair.
Sige.
Titingnan ho natin, I will look into this personally, Mr. Chair, no, because as far as briefing our enforcers are concerned, malinaw po yung extension, no, na hindi dapat natin hinahanap po yan. If there has been any anomalies in this apprehension, kami hong we would sanction the proper enforcers on this. Kung yun po ang naging dahilan po ng apprehension. We'll check on that, Mr. Chair. We'll report back to the committee.